Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got three same cars with all of them are from Hotwheels, but all three of them are different. How? This one is from Mainline Hotwheels, so which you normally get. This one is from Hot Wheels Silver series and especially from Fast and Furious Brian O'Connor series set of the 5 cars, and this one is Hot Wheels Premium. So these three, they look identical, but they again have differences in them. So I'm gonna try to show you the differences as much as I can. First, I'm gonna talk about the similarities. So all of these, they look to have same body on them. So basically, they have the same design. They all don't have mirrors and same kind of spoiler and everything. So no differences there. Other similarity between them is gonna be interior. Same black interior. I don't really see any difference in those. And the third one, all of them have headlamps, detailed headlamps, and Toyota badge up front, but they again are kind of finished in a different design, I would say. So now, what are the differences? First of all, the main line. So this one, it does miss out on a lot of details. If you see the wheels, they are very basic plasticky looking wheels. It doesn't have any detail on the tail section either. So you've got those details missing here. And obviously it's a plastic base. So that's another thing. So these are some of the main details that are missing here. And even the grille isn't finished in any blackout or anything. Now, let's go to the Silver series, which kind of sits in between both of them, the Mainline and Premium. So, differences, you can see turn indicators are painted there, and this is the newest one, so it does have like more details. The wheels, again, better than the Mainline. You've got finished tail lamp badges in the rear too. It does miss out on stuff which you get on the Premium, so we're going to talk about that. So on the Premium, again, you got good details. You got detailed headlamp, you also got detailed tail lamp, and everything detailed you saw on the Silver series. Plus, what's the extra? It's got metal base and it's much heavier compared to those two. The wheels, they are different, and they are rubber tires, unlike plastic on the Mainline and the Silver series. And also the paint finish is slightly better than those two. So these are the major differences compared to the Mainline and the Silver series. So now you know what are the differences. And these, I think they retail around $2. These around $4.50, and these obviously go around $7 here in Canada. So yeah, this is how they look from the front. They look almost identical, but if I move it back, you can see there are tail lamps which are detailed, not detailed here. And as I said, metal base on this one, rubber tires on this one, not on these two. So now you know what the differences are between Mainline, Silver series, and the Premium. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.